Welcome to this video tutorial dedicated to Braille Music Reader 2025, an innovative program that allows you to read, study, and listen to musical scores in Braille format within a complete multimodal environment. The software has been designed to open files in BMML format, which stands for Braille Music Markup Language. This is a standardized extension of the Music XML format, enriched with specific functionalities for Braille notation that can be fully exploited through this program. In the following sections, we shall guide you through all the fundamental aspects of the software, starting from installation to using the most advanced features. The objective is to enable you to make the best use of this valuable tool for studying and learning music. Let us begin by discussing system requirements and compatibility. BMR 2025 has been developed for Windows operating systems and can be installed like any other standard application. The software has been optimized to function perfectly with JAWS and NVDA screen readers and with Braille displays. To install BMR, access the website www.muvie.eu and search for BMR Program Download. Once you have downloaded the program, informing Windows that it is a safe program, simply press Enter on the file name and the installation will commence. Confirm the language and choose the other options you are asked for. Install the script for JAWS or NVDA and you are ready to use the program. Upon opening, BMR will welcome you with the main window, obviously empty. Simply open a new file and there you have it. The score is ready to be read with speech synthesis or on a Braille display and played. Regarding support and available resources, on the MUVIE project portal, you will find an FAQ section with the most frequently asked questions and their answers, a complete user manual in PDF format that explores every aspect of the software with practical examples, technical assistance channels where you can request personalized support, and of course, the MUVIE project library with hundreds of pieces of music ready to be downloaded and used with the BMR program. Let us now move on to exploring the main functionalities of BMR 2025 Reader. The program is organized into several logical menus that group related functions. The File menu contains all the commands for opening, importing, saving, and exporting musical scores. The Search menu offers tools for navigating and finding specific elements within the score. The Playback menu, as its name suggests, contains all the functions relating to listening to the score through MIDI. The Process menu allows you to hide elements and customize the view of the score according to your needs. Finally, the Configuration menu contains all the settings for customizing the program's preferences and tools. To open a musical score in BMML format, you have several options. You can press Ctrl+I to import a BMML file from your local library. Alternatively, you can access the File menu, select Import, and then choose BMML. Both operations will open a standard Windows dialog box where you can navigate through the folders on your computer and select the desired file. It is important to note that when you import a BMML file, this represents what would be the original printed score for a sighted musician. BMML files not only contain the Braille notation of the music, but also a great deal of associated information, including the complete sound representation of the music that can be easily transferred to a MIDI device for playback. If you are working with a score that you have already opened and modified previously, instead of importing the original BMML file again, you can open a file in the program's proprietary ERB format. These files contain not only the score, but also all the settings and customizations you have applied, such as the parts or hidden elements, personal annotations you have added, and audio configurations. To open an ERB file, press Ctrl+O or go to the File menu and choose Open. This will show you a dialog box where you can specify which file you wish to open.